Mr. Snark, good to meet you. Thanks for coming in.
A pleasure, Mr. Snore.
Sir, what do you do?
I'm an amateur radio agitator.
An amateur radio operator? Fantastic. I'm one of them also.
No, I'm an amateur radio agitator.
What's the difference?
An operator talks about their hurting joints. An agitator talks about how the joint is hurting.
What would fix it?
What we all dream of. 10 kilowatts, free exams, more bands.
We hardly use what we've got. What's the chance of getting more?
You must understand that offensiveness is the best form of defence.
How so?
Go back to 95, when they were going to double the licence fees. We flooded them with protest letters, in spidery underlined capitals. Took them months to read. The politicians were petrified. They grew a spine and for once stood up to the bureaucrats. If we stop agitating, we lose our frequencies.
When was the last time you used one of those frequencies?
About 10 years ago.
So you don't currently use the frequencies?
That's beside the point. I'm an agitator, not an operator. Too busy.
Busy doing what?
Agitating.
Where do you agitate?
On my keyboard. I post a new gripe daily to 5 amateur Facebook groups. And when everyone's had enough, I give it a little kick to start a new cycle.
What's the purpose? The operators want amateur radio, not amateur politics.
But at least they still have the frequencies. The ones you don't use. Remember, I'm doing it for them. Bringing light to darkness. A new dawn. Moving forward. Front-loading the future.
Engage youth through social media?
That too. Gives me another Facebook page to troll.
Isn't your agitating just airing dirty laundry? To and fro, round and round, round after round. Just discourages people.
Can't be any worse than now. They're tumbling downhill. Their arguments don't hold water. I think they're stuck on the spin cycle.
Terrific. Sounds like you have lots to offer. Why don't you stand for office? Become a board director or something.
I'd be bored.
No, board. B-O-A-R-D. Make decisions. Run the show, not just talk.
Don't have time.
You wouldn't even accept a subcommittee position.
I'd then have to do actual work. Behind the scenes. No one would see it. No one would thank me. They would set me up, drag me down and turf me out.
Doesn't sound like fun.
Unlike agitating. Imagine the furtive glee of watching it go wrong. The victory of vindication. The sweetness of schadenfreude. I told you so. If only they listened. All freedom, no responsibility. A bigger audience than an idiot on a repeater.
Keep going.
Those that do make the mistakes. As agitator, I remain pure, watch and laugh.
I see. Mr. Snark, thanks for your time. I guess all will come out in the wash.